Hello guys, if you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. So type hashtag replay and today is day 14 of the sari challenge and I'm really happy. What's it like today when I was getting ready, I missed 2-3 because I was so excited when I saw the sale in the morning. So you can see I didn't finish my eyebrows for sure, and then I even forgot my base color. So those two things like because I was in a hurry, like I was like I need to post those. Hi Soumya, good morning. And so this is I thought myself as what is like a something I had to do with like blue and peacock theme. So that's why that's what my understanding is. That's how I ended up doing it. Thank you, Soumya. Thank you so much. This is again one of my wedding sari. This is Nalangu sari we call, like in the evening after. So it's a very simple one. Like those days I like to, Cloudy baby, stay there. So today, as I said, I didn't color correct myself. So I started with pink posy as my crease color, and then let me grab him. I will at least open the once he hears me talk, he has to be. Thank you, Soumya. Thank you so much. So what I did is sapphire shimmer. You have seen me use the blue a lot. So that's the one I have used as a halo eye because sapphire shimmer went with this look very nicely. So that's the one I used on the outer corner. And to bring the, it's not a gold. So what I did was I did copper rose shimmer for the halo eye. You can pretty much do any colors using the halo eye. So what I did is I did that copper rose shimmer in the middle, and then I topped it with bright lights glitter. So anytime when you need it, what is it like a more glittery, glitters will not have a base. So that way you can top it on top of any color. Like I usually do rose gold glitter, but today I thought I will do bright light glitter, and I did ocean as the eyeliner, which is like our blue shimmery eyeliner. That's the one I did. I know it's like what to say, like it's something out of normal comfort zone, but I want to give it all in. And I did turquoise in the lower bottom. As I said, it is more of a peacock themed one, so that's why I did turquoise, which is a matte shade on my lower lid alone. And I did smoke out with my blue, navy eyeliner pencil, and I used sea breeze shimmer, which is like a green, on my inner tear duct alone. And the last one I used the cobalt, which is like a blue eye mascara, which is a non-waterproof mascara. We have 3 colors in our non-waterproof mascara. These are limited edition, so they are little smaller than our original size. The permanent line comes with black and black brown for non-waterproof. Similar way, waterproof comes in black and black brown. So these are limited editions, non-waterproof. So that's the one I did to what is it, like combine the blue look. And for my lip, I did Madeira with again Tahitian pearl. So as I said, the whole theme was around blue and purples and all thing peacock. So this is obviously I could have done even peacock pearl, but I did Madeira with the Tahitian pearl. So even peacock pearl would have been nice. I forgot that, so I didn't. And for my highlighter, I have used Moonstone shimmer. I think so far I have shown Firefly, I have shown the normal pearlizer, I have even shown Amber, I think yesterday or day before yesterday. Here it is Moonstone. You can see it's such a gorgeous highlighter. These will go really well for your evening look and gives such a pearly finish, and it has like similar way, purplish and blue tones and all. That's why I wore that as my highlighter for today. So that's how I always plan, like if you have one theme, you can blend all in together with that. So you can see it will give a nice glow. So that's why I showed here, because I know sometimes the cheeks, the picture will not or the video will not capture it as you see in person, but these pearlizers are like, you will have them for years together. Thank you, Soumya. It's nothing like that, Soumya, because as you know, people, when they see like 150 colors to 200 colors, they get confused on where to start. So I always direct them like, okay, pick a theme or pick what you like, and then you will be able to add, for example, the color I like may be completely different from what you like or anybody else's. So I always ask them to pick one color group or one thing. That way I can add things that complement to that. So it makes it easy, because for randomly if they come and ask me like, can you suggest me a color, because the color I like may not be their preference. So this way when you pick something, then coordinating colors around that will be really easy. And if you haven't seen the sale I posted, it is like 15% of every Lipson's color, every gloss, every remover, anything that is in the website for 3 days, I believe. So it's usually $25, so it's on sale for $21 for the Lipson's color. The glosses are $20 usually, now it's going to be $17, and the remover is $10 usually, now it's $8. And on top of that, if you're a Kiss and Tell member, you will be getting 10% on top of this sale. And so it's a really good value, because everything is included. So if you are looking to stock up on Lipson's colors or glosses, this is a perfect time to do. So but say, like, you can always check the website for the current colors in stock, and you can always try them in the Sanalook app, because that way you know what color will look nice. Madeira was like my recent favorite. This will look really nice on any Sure, Soumya, sure. For kids also, you can always check the glosses, like even if you don't want a Lipson's color for them, a gloss will act like a lip balm for them, because it has vitamin E and shea butter, and at the same time it will give a nice light tint, and they don't have to remove at the end of day and all. It will get absorbed or smudged. So glosses are a good choice, and these kind of colors will look really nice on our Indian skin tone. So if you need suggestions, always ping me. I will be able to send you guys what is available in the website. That way I can pick like my top favorites. I always ask my customers to show their final cart, because I want to make sure, because sometimes the gloss name and the Lipson's name may be the similar, or the gloss name and the the lips, they might be thinking that they picked a Lipson's and they picked a gloss, something like that. So I always make sure to check what they have selected. And for today's look, as I was again coordinating with all peacock, I wore like a Krishna pendant. This is, I think I got maybe 4 or 5 months back, I don't even remember. So finally I get to wear that with the blue. Blue with Krishna is always my favorite to go to. So that's the one I wore, and I just wore a simple gold bangle that had stones, because this had stones too. I wore a simple bangle to go with it. So that's the whole look for today. As I said, I was so happy to complete my 2 weeks. Today didn't skip a day. So another half a month to go, but I'm excited to see what is the coming looks I can make sure of. And if you need any info on the sale, please do ping me. It was there for 3 days, so it's usually California time. So it will be there. Today is Wednesday, I think. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday it should be. So Friday night, midnight California time. That's how it will. They will calculate. So you will have time till that. And if you have never tried Lipsons, this will be a perfect gem. And also the collections are included. As you know, collections are already discounted. For example, the color I'm wore, this color has it comes in a collection. So already the collection has a Lipsons color 2 gloss, and the remover was already free. So on top of this, you are going to get the 15% off, and if you are Kiss and Tell, you are going to get 10% off on top of that. So it will be really nice to save. And collections are always under a separate tab saying collections, so it will have individual currently available collections that you can buy, and only Lipsons is in stock, I mean in sale, nothing else. So grab it while it's available, and have a wonderful day, guys. See you all soon. Thank you, Soumya, once again.